This is Alyssa making a April Fool's joke on Grandpa Chick.
Grandpa, I'm scared. I don't have my key to my house, and I'm trying to call my mom, and I can't open the door, and I don't know where she could be. And I tried calling my grandpa, he won't answer the phone. And I tried calling Granny, and she wouldn't answer the phone. And then there's this, no. And there's this guy, he's staring at me in the car. Yes, I'm really scared. Yes, but she's not home, and I don't know anybody else. Yes, he's staring at me right now. I don't want to move. Okay. He's Mexican, he's short, he's in a white car. Yes. He's in our parking spot, and he's looking at me. Yes, I left it in the house, and I thought my mom was going to be home. I didn't know. No, I'm already in the front. I have to walk up in the street to go to their house. I'm scared. Okay. Okay. I will. Okay. Grandpa, April Fools. I got you good.